In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to connect Warrior Plus to your Review Trust account. First, log into your Review Trust account. In the sidebar menu, click on the Account Settings. Scroll down below into the Shopping Cart section and click Add New Account. Enter a name for the account. On the Vendor drop-down, choose Warrior Plus and click Save. An API URL will be generated for your shopping cart account. Copy the URL and log into your Warrior Plus account. On the top bar menu, hover on Vendors and click on Products. Click on the product name to edit the product. Scroll down to the Custom Integration section. Click on the Custom Integration to expand and enable it. Paste the API URL you copied from Review Trust into the Notification URL field. Make sure the Send IBM to Delivery URL is turned on. Click Save. Now go back to Review Trust to create a product campaign. Enter the required information. On the shopping cart drop-down field, select Warrior Plus. A drop-down for all your Warrior Plus accounts will show. Select the account you created earlier and continue creating the campaign, and you are done.